Hey, what is up? My name is Tristan, and today on the Keyman YouTube channel we're going to be taking a look at an upgrade to my car, 2011 Porsche Boxster 987.2, wherein we're going to be changing the center caps on the wheels. So basically, if you don't know, Porsche products from the factory, generally, if you don't option them out, will come with sort of black on silver center caps. I'll put an image right around here. So yeah, we're going to be upgrading that today. So first of all, we're going to be unboxing it, and then we're going to be installing it later on in the video. So what exactly it is, or where exactly I ordered this from, rather. Suncoast Porsche Parts, which is an awesome website located on the Gulf Coast of Florida. They have a lot of cool OEM and aftermarket parts, so you see, and also just a lot of cool merchandise. So I ordered these nifty driving gloves, this hat, and other stuff from them in the past, and then also you'll see later in the video the racing decals on the side of the car and also the clear indicator marks. So when I was placing this order the other night, they said this was $4.99. Thought it was pretty cool, figured I'd get it. It's a towel. There you go. So, you know, could not resist. And then here is the actual content for this video. Very cool, coming in the box like that. You can see right then if I can... Actually, I'm going to take the wrapping off first. So yeah, we're going to be installing these later in the video. I just wanted to show you guys the unboxing experience first. So these are the original, like, from Porsche. These are not aftermarket. You can, so these were about $170, but if you go on eBay, you can usually find used ones for about $120, and I'm sure you could find off-brand ones for even less. But I figured better to be safe, and I'm just going to get the actual Porsche branded ones to make sure they match perfectly to the wheels. So here you go. Here's the box for them. Actually, very nice. I was not expecting this. Yeah, you can see them right there. And as you saw before, the original things that are on it now look a lot worse than this. I feel like these are a major upgrade. Just get them out. There you go. Let's see that. Let me focus on it. There you go. Yeah, so I think this is going to make the car look a lot better. And I will show you guys the install process now. Okay, so here we are by the wheel. So you can see I've already done this wheel actually. Major improvement over the original, which is actually this right here. And you can see the new one right there. And so you may have been wondering how you actually get these off the car. You can see there's a little hole in the black stripes on both pieces actually. You can look at the new one too, has it? So if the new one gets scratched up at any point, you can replace it fairly easily. And all you're going to need to do that is a 3/32 Allen key. And then just a wrench like this, so you can compress down on it and get the leverage you need to do it. So I'm going to actually move you guys down to one of the other wheels that I haven't done yet, and I'll demonstrate to you guys how it's done. Okay, so as I said, the process is actually fairly simple. All you're going to do is insert the Allen key right there into one of the two holes, doesn't really matter which. And then you need to do it, actually I should clarify, from this end here, the shorter end, right? Then you're going to insert it into there, and then you're going to kind of fold it over like that so that the long piece is sticking out. Then you're going to take your wrench. This part, it's a bit of a pain because you have to, I don't have the best wrench for this actually, but you're just going to try to get it to grip on there, and you're going to pry it out. Now technically what you should do actually is do that on both sides, but with my luck, at least on the past center cap and this one, it's actually come out just like that with one hole, so you know, it depends. Your mileage may vary there. Alright, so now all you're going to do is put on the new center cap, as I said. Just try to line it up with where the old one was approximately. So my old center cap was kind of like that, right? So I'm going to try to line it up with that one spoke there. Alright, so here we are back. It's not quite lined up perfectly, but I'm satisfied with it. So you see, it's pretty simple. It's just a bit of a pain. You need to get it to work right, because actually on the back side, just simple clips like that. You need to try to apply equal pressure so that it goes on there as best you can. I feel like the first one might have turned out better. It was easier to push it in and have it lined up, because I made sure that wheel was vertical for the initial pictures that I showed you guys a little bit ago. But yeah, I think it improves the look a lot, and I'll be back with you guys in just a second when all of them are on. I'm just going to give you guys a walk around of the car. Alright, so this is probably going to sound a little bit different now. I'm actually on my microphone at my desk. Had to re-record this with a little bit rushed at the end. But basically what we're doing now is just walking around, seeing the sides. So you can see now, actually, that's the side decal I was telling you about that I ordered from Suncoast. Awesome website, a lot of cool stuff. And I feel like these center caps definitely improve the look a lot for what you're paying. One of the easier mods to do, and it improves the look a lot. So I definitely recommend it if you guys have a Porsche vehicle. Definitely helps to spruce things up, make them look awesome. And I'll have a link down below to everything like that. And I also felt like I should mention that the wheels on the car are the Boxster S II wheels. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you guys enjoy.